Yeah. This is Kyle's first ever trip to the beach. Okay, good morning everyone. So we're off to the island of Hermana Mayor. The owner was willing to invite us over there. There are 4 planes in total, I believe, already there, and I'm the last one to go there. And we're going to stay for the day. The rest of them will stay overnight, but because Kyle has school tomorrow, we have to go back later on in the day. But it should be a great beach experience for Kyle, right?
Yeah.
Through the window, I see you waiting. You were smiling, 'cause I'm coming. Your eyes are a story.
And ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Memories, pictures of faces and places, and all of the things that make us feel like we have it all.
Airspeed.
All of the times that make us
And 15 knots, so we're gonna rotate now. I'll go lower the nose, 55 knots.
Lancing 1 tight approach.
Nice right there, bro.
Life is beautiful.
Cool.
Yeah. This
Hey.
video is sponsored by Anlis City Flying Club also.
Yeah.
And beach. And
Yeah.
also the beach.
And also the beach.
Two
Alright.
sponsors today.
Living and dying, laughing or crying. If we have the whole world or have nothing, I know there are long nights, but we'll make it. With every sunrise comes a new life, and all of the things that make us feel like we have it all. All of the times that make us realize we have it all. We have it all. Life is beautiful.
Okay, we're just about to cross the Zambales mountain range. There is a narrow gap here of relatively low terrain and a road that we can cross over and towards the opposite side. Okay, primus spikes, alright. Pulper's good. Engine's humming around nicely. We're about to cross the Zambales mountain range, do a final check because again, there's not a lot of emergency landing places in this area. So
Yeah.
we better make sure our engine is humming well.
We have it all.
It kind of looks like the road from Cars.
Yeah. We're in the Zambales mountain range right now. Compared to the eastern mountains, the Zambales mountain range tends to be a little bit more subdued, I guess, in terms of the terrain features.
Laughing or crying.
Not as forested.
Yeah.
Or have nothing. I know there are long nights, but we'll make it.
See that island there in
Yeah.
the distance? It's like white.
I think that's Hermana.
Yeah,
That make us
that is Hermana.
we have it all. All of the times that make us realize we have it all. We have it all. Life is beautiful. Life is beautiful. New Year's dreams, a toast with friends, a soldier coming home from war, a faith, a hope for so much more. A brand new life, a mother's prayer, shooting stars.
Hold it, hold it, hold it.
Lover's kiss, hard goodbyes.
Our first landing in Hermana.
Yeah.
These are the things that make us feel alive. These are the times that make us realize life is beautiful.
That's okay, you can stay here. Yeah. It's our first Jeep ride?
Yeah, even first Jeep ride.
Wow, okay, good work. Yeah, welcome to Hermana.
Yeah. Hashtag Pilots welcome to Hermana.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Wait till we get you in the beach. The beach is spectacular. First time in a Nipa hut?
Yeah.
Cool.
The name of the video is Kyle's first trip to Hermana.
Is that a good? What are you doing?
We're just playing hide and seek.
Hey, where are you going? You're gonna go to the beach? Yeah, so we're gonna go swimming. Is this the first time you rode a jeepney? How's your beach experience so far?
Good. Oh, that's their beach toys.
Yeah.
Can I borrow it? Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna build some sandcastles. Yeah.
It's a game. Yeah.
Okay.
I can find treasure using this. Yes, you can find it. We're almost there to the beach.
Hey, go. Go, run. Go to the water. Yeah, this is awesome, man. The beach here is magnificent. Cool, huh? Yeah. This is Kyle's first ever trip to the beach. What do you think, Kyle?
Okay, so this is Francisco. Say hi.
Hey, how you doing?
Yeah. This video also features Francisco.
Yes.
He's a cool guy.
Through the window, I see you waiting. You were smiling, 'cause I'm coming. Your eyes are a story, an ocean of memories, pictures of faces and places, and all of the things that make us feel like we have it all. All of the times that make us realize we have it all. We have it all. Life is beautiful. Life is beautiful.
Okay, so that was a fun adventure, right, Kyle?
Yeah.
Yeah, did you enjoy that
Yeah.
short trip to the beach?
Yeah.
Okay, so I hope you liked that video. I'll post the spider tracks as usual so that you know where we flew today. And thank you very much, guys. Like and subscribe, and have a good day.